so far I've gone through about half of it, or a little less. Okay, before I do any more, I'm just gonna kind of pull this out here. I don't want to get grubby on here. And see where I need to cut it off. Probably about right there. Trying not to have to use my glove hand, because when I touch this, I'm gonna get stuff all over it, okay? So that looks fine, like that. Make sure whenever you use your sheetrock knife to press it so that you don't hurt yourself or cut yourself later. You think, I won't, I'll be careful, Joe, come on. And then the next second, you turn around and you cut yourself, or somebody grabs the knife, hand it to you, and they jab themselves or something. Last thing you want is something like that. Let's finish this off, shall we? I've still only got it on my glove hand, a little bit on my finger. Where was that song came from? Heaven Can Wait. Do you remember that? Yeah, I remember that. That was a good movie. I liked it years ago. Warren Beatty. Heaven Can Wait. That was a good show. Good meaning to it. He used to play that song with his little flute, not his flute, saxophone or whatever it was he played. I forget now. Yummy. Boy, there's a big crown right there. That's all right. That's all right. Okay. Let's pull this down. Let's line it up about there. Look at that, I just touched that. You see what I'm saying? I shouldn't have done that. Darn it. Dabbity nabbit by Joe. Oh. Okay. So I cut it just a hair short so I can put some extra on here without getting it all over. Hey, whenever you're up on a roof, make sure you're aware of your surroundings. You don't back off the roof. If you're not paying attention, there's lots of things that can go on if you've not been up on a roof that often. Okay, so just watch it, pally. Now I got some on the roof. I shouldn't have, but that's all right. Nobody's gonna see it. It's a funky roof anyways, isn't it? It's like concrete slabs, 2 pieces, teeter-tottering on 4 slabs of concrete down below. See, there were even hooks on here. See, there's a hook there, there's one there, there's one over there, and they just hooked that and then lifted it up here all in one go. Okay, what do you think of our patch? That looks pretty good, but I think because I've got so much material left here, I'm gonna put just a little bit thicker layer on top of here. What do you think? I think so. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's just set you up right here. Put on a little bit more. Taper it down to the sides. Make sure your sides are nice and flat, because if you get a ridge and open kind of up high, you might have an issue with water trying to seep under, more so than if you've got it at an angle, you know. I really doubt though that this leak or this patch is ever going to leak. What do you think? It would have to travel under here, all the way over here and down. And that's going to be kind of difficult with all this mastic we got on here. Okay. Just keep it going. Spread. Once you get it to a good point, just leave it alone. Don't think the more you play with it, the smoother you're going to get it. That's kind of false thinking. See, I'm going to just leave all that alone. And I'm going to keep her going that way.